Good morning student, hope you are fine. Today we will learn how to create file in Microsoft Excel 2013. First we are going to start Microsoft Excel 2013. Click on Windows button and you can see the search program and files. Type Excel, EXCEL, and when you type Excel you see Excel 2013. The screen of Microsoft Excel 2013 will appear on your screen. So student, this is the interface of Microsoft Excel 2013. So in this theme you have to click on blank workbook. This is the blank workbook. So here I am going to write some student informations here. So I am write serial number, name, city, and I am write the serial number 1 and the name is Raju and city is ALD, and I am write the second record, serial number is 2, name is Amit and address is ALD, and I am write third record, serial number is 3rd and name Sumit and address is Allahabad, and I am write the fourth record, name is Anu and address is ALD, and I am write the fifth record, name is Allu and address is ALD. So this is the record of students. So I want to save these files into computer system. So I am going to click on file and click save buttons, and after clicking save you have to just click on browse button, and when you click browse button the window of C.B.S.E dialog box will appear. So this is the by default location where your workbook is going to store, but I want to store this file into desktop. So I am going to click on desktop and I am write the name of the Excel file. So I am write here student record, and if I click save button the file destination is desktop. The file of student record will store in desktop. So you can look here the student record, the name of the Excel file, it is stored on desktop, and I am going to click on close button. So Microsoft Excel will close. So look at desktop and where this is the my file of student record. I am going to double click on it. You see the your file data will display on the file of student record. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.